you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the little bee box and the little bee hair accessories box for January 2024. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the January 2024 Little Bee box and Little Bee hair accessories box just arrived. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, let's go ahead and dive into the Little Bee box first, and then I will show you the Little Bee hair accessories box. I'm always so excited to see what is inside of these boxes. Even though I don't have any little ones, my friend does, and that's who I give this box to. But ever since I was even in I don't know, maybe junior high school, I was infatuated with baby stuff. So I've always been the one hiding out in the baby aisle, looking at all the baby stuff. I absolutely love baby things. So I love this box. So this is the box that it comes in. It's always constructed so well that you can always keep these, store things in them because they are constructed so well. I like to repurpose than to throw away. Down inside, you do have your card that says thank you for purchasing the Little Bee box, and you can post a picture on your social media and tag them if you would like. And then you have the card for this month, and it says January, fresh starts. A new year brings a fresh start. Dear Mom, you are the artist of your family story. A fresh start is a new canvas, waiting for you to paint it with love, laughter, and memories. May this new beginning bring you joy, energy, and inspiration to create a masterpiece of happiness and togetherness. Isn't that so cute? That's adorable. And then on the back side, it says what's inside the box for the fresh start, and it explains what the products are and gives you the actual pricing. So let's go ahead and dive in and see. Oh my goodness. There's a little sneak peek to inside of the box, and that bib is absolutely adorable. Okay, so let's see what we have going on. Let's start with that bib since that's what I'm seeing. Oh, so let me just grab all of the clothing items out. So it says Little Chickadees 5-piece set valued for $36.99. So you have this hat here. So this is one out of the 5 pieces. So you have this really cute little bonnet hat that you can use, and it matches everything, like the colors. Here is the bib, and it says Little Sweetie, but that is so adorable. I love the colors and I love the image. So you have your bib, and then there are 3 different onesies. So this is your whole complete 5 set. This is still in 6 months because even though she just turned a year old, she's still so tiny. So now we're gonna see how this fits. So I just told her mom yesterday, I was like, you're gonna have to tell me when you wanna bump it up to a year. But her daughter is just so petite, she's so damn tiny. So we are still on 6 to 9 months at least for this box. So here is the first onesie, and it has just these little flowers all the way down it. Super, super cute. They are all long sleeve, which I think is perfect for this time of year. And so here's, they're all connected. So here's number 1. Let me cut these off. Okay, so now that they are all disconnected. So again, it's long sleeve. It has a little ruffle right here at the top. I absolutely love that mint green with that peachy pinkish color. That is just super adorable. This one does not have the ruffle on the top, but it is still long sleeve. And this one actually matches the hat perfectly. But I mean, the same colors match everything, but there's that print. And then the last print is this one right here. This one doesn't have the ruffles on the top either, but it is long sleeve. And I love those colors of the little flowers on there. So there is the 5-piece set, again, valued for $36.99. So cool. Now there is a Baby Einstein tiny tambourine. It is a 2-in-1 tambourine and bead chaser. So I guess this will go back and forth. And then you have a little tambourine there. Baby tiny tambourine valued for $8.69. So this says it is for 3 to 36 months. So there's that little toy that she can play with. Up next is the Passy Grip by boggin head. It's 2 pacifier clips. It says it fits all pacifiers. I wish these were a different style because the last time she was here, her little self is now disconnecting these. Like, she's getting these off and tossing it in its entirety, and her mom's like, now I gotta go find her pacifier. She's even doing it in the car. Throwing it. So I was thinking, I wonder if this is a different clip style. Maybe it'll stay on better, but I think hers are just like this as well. So maybe she's gonna have to put 2 of them on. She's getting too smart with her young age. But that is so adorable. I love those 2 colors right there. She definitely can use these, especially since she's tossing them everywhere. She can attach like 5 pacifiers to her at once. And this one right here is the 2-pack pacifier clips, valued for $14.59. And I really love those colors. That's super cute. Okay, so up next we have is Baby Shark. It is a baby wash, gentle and mild. And yeah, it says Pink Fong Baby Shark light fresh fragrance. So there's a baby body wash. It's valued for $4.99. So there's that. Then we have is Mark Brown's Arthur's Pals. So then you have this book right here, and Arthur's Pals reading book is valued for $4.45. And I always tell you guys, reading is like something that's in her staple for every night in her routine. She gets read to before she goes to bed. So she absolutely loves books and reading. So that's amazing. I love seeing a book in here every month. Again, valued for $4.45. So then the last item in here is a gift for the mom. And I love that they actually do this. They put one item in here. It could be anything and everything under the sun, but it's a free gift for the mom. This month is a Spa Essence Body Scrubber Duo for clean, healthy, and soft skin. It is a 2-piece set body scrub duo. And it says exfoliating bath sponges free item. Again, I just love that because then the mom gets a free item, like a little surprise mystery item for her. And then everything else is for the baby. But I like that they take that time to think of the attention to detail to get the mom something. I think that's really cool. So that is everything for the new January box for 2024. You have the baby wash. You have the 2-pack of sponges for the mom. You have the 2-pack of pacifier holder clips. You have the book, you have the tiny tambourine, and then you have the 5-piece clothing item. Okay, you guys. So that is everything now for the little bee box. So now let's go ahead and dive into the little bee hair accessories box, and then I'll go over all the pricing for both of them. This one comes in this box right here. And I always tell you guys, even if you wanted to save your hair accessories in here, you can write yellow, pink, blue, clips, barrettes, or whatever, ponytails, like rubber bands. You can organize your hair accessories in these boxes if you would like. So down inside, you get the little bee hair accessories card in this one, also saying thank you for your purchase, and you can tag them on your social media. And then down inside of this one, ooh, that is a sneak peek to inside of the box. So right on top, you have this 4-piece set here of these little clips with these beautiful colors. That is super, super cool. So you have this 4-pack of clips. Clamps, clips. Then you have a head wrap set of 2. That is super cute. I love that. She's gonna look so cute in these. So there's like a light lavender purple color and then a light pink. So you have 2 different head bands that can go right around their head. And then the last in here is these 2 clips that are super adorable. Look at how cute those are. Oh my gosh, she's gonna look so cute in these on her little That is so cute. So that is everything in the hair accessories for January. You have these 2 clips here. You have the 2-piece head wraps and then the 4-piece barrette clips things here. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for both boxes. What did you think of them? What do you think of the items that were inside? What do you think of the theme and the actual items? What do you think about this 5-piece set? I love those colors. Let me know. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I'll let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty. That'll save you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. The little bee box. For the little bee box, so you get all these nice little accessories right here. Each box includes 5 to 8 products picked by passionate parents on board to make every day fun and fulfilling for your baby, making every moment memorable and joyous. They ask you several questions when they do go to tailor these boxes, like how old, the gender, color schemes, that kind of thing. So they're basically tailoring the box to the child that it's going to. The gold membership is a month-to-month term, which is $51.95 per box. You can do the silver, which is a 6-month term to save some money. We'll bring it down to $45.95 per box. And a full 12-month term, it would be the platinum. That will be $43 per box. So now the little bee hair accessories box. We've created a magical experience for your little ones with our kids hair accessories box. Packed with wonder and excitement, each monthly box contains not just 1, not 2, but 5 delightful items that will bring joy to their hairdos. And this one, they also ask several questions, and that one they go into like more like sparkle, this and that, so they can tailor the hair accessories to that child that it's going to as well. They also have a one-time gift box, and this is what I absolutely love. So if you know anybody who's going to be having a baby shower or a baby's birthday, and you can or you cannot attend to it, you can send a one-time gift box. They will take into consideration the gender and the age, and they will put the box together based on the age appropriate for that specific baby. Now, the great thing about that is you don't have to go to the store and try to figure out what do they need, what does this kid at this age need. You don't have to worry about any of that. They do all that for you. Again, age appropriate, gender appropriate. They will build the box specifically for that child. Now it's $65 and it's free US shipping. So that's why I say if you're going or not, because if you're not going to be attending, either you just can't make it or they're too far away, you can send the one-time box straight to them. If you can attend, you can send it to yourself. You can wrap it, put it in a gift bag, and bring it along with you. So I love that you have that option. $65 free shipping, and you get a one-time customized gift box. So that one there, you get to choose between newborn, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. And then you get to choose pink, blue, or neutral for the color. Give a gift of the little bee box to your loved ones and friends. Introducing our beautiful baby gift box, the ultimate present for a new parent or expecting moms. Packed with all the essentials for a happy and healthy baby, this gift box is perfect for baby showers, birthdays, or any special occasion. Shipping to the US is also included. And that is everything again for the 2 different subscription boxes and then the one-time box that you can purchase anytime from their website. I will have them all linked down below. You can follow that straight to their website, and SheCrafty will get you that 30% off your very first subscription box if you are interested. If you want to check out any other codes, more information about me or my animals, you can visit my website anytime at SheCrafty.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see all my future uploads, since I do several different types of videos. And then you'll be able to see what I have, and if you want to watch it, you can click it and watch it, and if you don't, you just wait for the next one, because again, I do so many different types of videos. So now that is everything again for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What did you think of the items inside this box? What do you think of the color scheme? I am super loving these colors. These are absolutely beautiful. But yeah, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.